How to share a Capcut project in mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to share Capcut project in mobile. So to share Capcut project in mobile, you have to first of all make sure that you're connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, go ahead and open up or log into your Capcut account. And here you can see this is my project, so if I wish to share, just tap on it, and then you could go ahead and tap on the export button. And when you are done exporting the video, first of all, then you could go ahead and select the platform where you wish to go ahead and share it, or you could just press the done button and you could go ahead and tap the three-dot icon, and you could go ahead and then you could go ahead and click on export. Once again, when you do that, it's going to show you this kind of interface. So right on this page, you could go ahead and share it to any of these platforms. If you go ahead and tap the three-dot icon or others, you'll be able to see lots of different options as well. And likewise, you could go ahead and share a Capcut project in mobile. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.